Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to get API key for GLM 5.2, one of the newest AI model that is getting a lot of attention right now. Many developers are curious about its coding, reasoning, and agent capabilities. So in this video, we will test it together. First, we will take a look to the benchmark. So let's check the benchmark. So this is for long horizon task evaluation. As you can see, it is on the top, just behind from Claude Opus 4.8 and ahead from GPT 5.5. And if we come here to the SWE Bench Pro, to this benchmark, to the coding benchmark, as you can see, it is already competing with the Claude Opus 4.8 and ahead from GPT 5.5. So it is getting a lot of attention nowadays and everyone is talking about this. So I wanted to share an API key with you to test it for free and see the capabilities of this long horizon task AI model GLM 5.2. So let's get started. So first of all, to get the API key, we need to move to the Cloudflare website. So I have already created account inside this. Let's check it. Yeah, it says just log in. I have already created my account, so I will just sign in. So just create your account with Cloudflare and you will get 10,000 Navrin daily to use and check their models for free. And you can have access to the GLM 5.2 also. So that's it. Just come here to the models and we will see. And let's move to the models, AI and models. So we will search here for GLM. As you can see, GLM 5.2. And now we will access the API key. So let's come here to the API keys. Just click on this workers AI. So then click on the REST API. So after coming there, so here now we will generate our API key. So as you can see here, a button get API token, create a worker AI API token. So before creating our API key, we will use it inside OpenCode. So for the OpenCode, you can install the CLI tool or their desktop application. So here, just come here and you can use their command CLI tool, or you can download their application for Windows and other. Like this is the terminal that you can use OpenCode desktop, and this is extension for VS Code, Cursor Z, WinServe, and VS Code. So these are the different methods that you can use OpenCode. So I have already installed the OpenCode terminal and desktop application. So let's open the terminal. So this is an empty folder. Right click, open this path in terminal. After opening that, let's write OpenCode. So I have already installed the OpenCode CLI tool. So as you can see, this is the CLI tool of OpenCode. Now to connect it with Cloudflare, for that we will write /connect. After writing this command, now we will search here for Cloudflare. So let's find Cloudflare workers AI. Select this. So for first time, it is asking for the Cloudflare account ID. So let's go back to our account, and this is our account ID. So let's copy this ID and paste that here. Press enter. Now it is asking for the API key. Now let's generate API key. So press this create a workers AI API token. And here you can assign a name, GLM OpenCode, and press create API token and copy this API token. After copying, come here back to the CLI, paste that and press enter. So now we have created connection with the Cloudflare workers AI. As you can see, we have access to these models, desktop models, DeepSeek 1, GLM 4.7. Let's search for GLM 5.2. Okay, so let's select this GLM 5.2. Okay, we have selected that. You want to come here to the models and search for GLM 5.2 from Cloudflare workers AI. So after selecting that, now let's ask from this for the first time. Let's change the mode to plan mode. Press tab button. We have changed to plan mode. Hello, which model is this? Press enter. So as you can see the response, I am powered by Z organization GLM 5.2 model Cloudflare. was all about the response. If you want to build a project or fix bugs and check the capabilities, so it gives 10,000 daily tokens. So let's check the capabilities of. So let's come here to the pricing of workers. You can see 10,000. To use 10,000 neurons per day, you need to sign up for the worker paid plan. So just come here for the free users. Okay, free allocation, workers free 10,000 neurons per day. So for the free users, they give 10,000 neurons per day. If you want to know about the neurons, so that is all the details about the neurons. What is neurons? So it was all about how to use the worker AI free GLM 5.2 model and estimate and user test the capabilities of this model. It is limited, but for testing and checking the capabilities and for the students to use it for limited and small projects, that's enough. So it was all about the 2D topic, and the video was helpful. Please hit the like button and also leave a comment. It motivates me to bring more videos like this. Thanks for watching.